Hi guys, welcome to my second video. I must be getting confident. Just wanted to do a little bit of a box review on this kit. I've been wanting to do this because I've got a little diorama in mind. The kit number is 35531 and it is a German car with passengers, and it's the G4 1939 production. Basically it's a staff car. It looks really nice on the box. I think that's what attracted me to it, but I've also got an idea for a diorama using these figures and some other figures, but more on that when I come to do it. Right, so we see what's in the box. I've already opened it in the past. Obviously, you know, when it's like a big kit, when you get things like this, you just can't wait to see what's inside it. By the looks of it, all the sprues are quite nice. Very, very minimal flash. I've never made one of these kits before from ICM, so it's looking nice. Cool on that piece. Right, the bane of my life, steering wheel. I always forget to put them on and end up losing them, as most of the guys will always keep taking it, the mickey out of me about it all the time. Right, next sprue is the seats. Looks like, yeah, that's like the cover at the back for the roof. Nice little engine. Not much I can say about that because it's quite nice, quite well detailed as well. So yeah, that's nice. Now, last but least, the wheels. Now I like the wheels because the wheels are really, really chunky. Oh, mind you, I haven't said that. They don't look as chunky on the sprue as they do on the boxwork artwork. Maybe it's different when they're painted up. We'll see. And the final bit are the clear parts. I always keep the clear parts and never open the clear parts until I'm actually ready to use them. Got nice headlight covers. Quite nice. Windows. No scratches. Oh, that's good. Anyway, that's the kit. Now the idea behind it. Right. I casted this from the original. I've actually got the original. It's a the Linden. Obviously, it's a doorway, German building. And my friend, good friend Simon Kemp, he suggested I should do something like a set of stairs on the bottom, and with the figures coming down, and a certain figure in particular, and the vehicle parked at the bottom, guards. So I'm quite itching to get this done. So I just thought I'd do a little boxing review and just to let you know what I'm actually doing with this kit. It broke, so he's going to make me a new one. I've actually sent the original to him. He's going to actually make a copy for me and send me original, because my plaster Paris must have been off and it's gone really chalky. Yeah, oops, gone really chalky. So he's going to sort me out with a fresh new one. He's going to repair all the damage that was originally on the original one, and he's going to recarve it and such. And then he's going to make it a nice master mold for me and make me a copy, which I'm really looking forward to. A nice guy like that. And you might want to check out his channel actually. It's 1/35th Diorama Builds by Simon Kemp. And the guy's a master when it comes to making buildings and such, and it's really good. Anyway, that's all I've got to offer on this really, and it's, as again, it sounds a little bit nervous, but I hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.